Vibrant.
Vivid.
Very aesthetic.
Peppy.
Colorful.
Cheerful.
Positivity.
It's enthusiastic.
Swanky.
Highly energetic.
Like chatak, ekdam colorful.
Exuberant. It's very vibrant. Vibrant. Very cold.
Damn, very beautiful.
ज्योति भी को बुला लो, ज्योति को भी। आओ ज्योति, आओ तुम भी आओ यार। ज्योति बोलेगा मेरे साथ।
Awesome.
Colorful.
Chai pe charcha. Be chai pe charcha only.
I think where the tech team sits.
I think it's that sitting area near the conference room.
Cafeteria.
Table tennis.
Chai pe charcha.
It will be chai pe charcha.
My seat.
The main entrance logo, that is like very good.
I would say my seat.
This bay around here. Very calm, peaceful.
The corner spot near the conference room is where I sit.
My office.
अरे भाई इतना बड़ा ऑफिस, मेरी सीट कहाँ है?
Like यही तो चाहिए था.
Oh, this is a spacious office. Wow, this is a huge change from the previous office. बहुत ठंडे भाई.
Wow.
Energetic.
I think it is literally a great place to work, and the energy and the vibrance around really helps in keeping the team motivated to strive ahead in our goals.
It's now very easy to collaborate and network with people.
Since this new office has got like too many open spaces, I think I want to work more collaboratively. Actually, everything and everybody looks within reach now.
When we started UpGrad Abroad, we were only few people, and we could sit in the same place and talk to each other. As we grew, we went into multiple floors, multiple offices, and that led to a lot of lack of communication, I'll say. This office is made to bring everyone together. Now, no need to communicate over email. You can just walk into someone's table and talk to him face to face. That's the power of a single floor office.